Good morning.
Good morning, folks.
Say good morning, folks. I slept so good.
No, I slept so good. I was drooling.
That's because you was in my bed, in my room.
Your couch is comfortable.
Listen, so we watched the movie last night. He fell asleep in my bed, and I was like, legend. I was like, go get it. I went to pick him up. I was gonna carry him to his bed, but he ended up waking up. Like, I said, go in your bed. He was like, I said, well, go over there and sleep on the couch. He said, okay. He got right up and went over there on my couch and went to sleep. Slept there all night. No, for real. He ain't want to come with me this morning. He didn't want to ride with me this morning, y'all. So I left him where he was at. Home. In the bed. In the bed, right, Legend? He was chilling. He didn't want to come with us. Why he didn't want to come with us? He bugging. He bugging, ain't he? He should have came, right? That's my rollie. I wanted him to come with me, but he didn't want to come.
It's actually two things.
Let me see.
It's two.
It looked natural, though.
How do they look natural?
It just do.
It's ripped.
It looked like real butter.
No, it just smells like real butter.
It's cold.
No, it's not.
Ain't no sun out. It's 74 degrees, though.
No,
It might not be no sun, but it's 74 degrees.
There is gonna be sun because I saw sun in my window. I love when the sun comes.
Legend, your birthday not this weekend. Next week. No, not next weekend. The following weekend. Your birthday in 3 weeks.
Yay.
Thank you. I don't know when the wedding is, so our date when we started dating was March 15th.
2026? 2025? 2025?
Yeah, 2025. And we got engaged
2026?
June 25th.
2026?
We got engaged 3 months later. Yeah, 2025.
I said 2026.
No, 2025. But whenever the date is, I want it to be on March 15th, if that makes sense. You know? This shit smells so good. This is, what's this called, Legend? It's called a butter squishy. So they got different things.
Yeah.
What else they got?
They got needles, dumplings.
No, like, do they got like, they got, this is a butter squishy. What's another one? Another type of squishy.
A dumpling.
They got dumplings. Does it smell like a dumpling? This
A needle.
smells so good.
She wanna eat it. She literally wants to eat it. It smells so good.
It don't make no sense.
Here, go to needle.
Why you taking both of them this good?
Cause
You can stretch it like this?
Please chill.
Yeah.
I don't want it to break.
Please chill.
Shit, darn good.
Please chill.
Why are you doing that?
Can y'all see through this?
Oh, you gotta like, you gotta like, do a little, like, you gotta squish it. No, you gotta squish it and then, like, put the camera to the.
It's an implant. Right, that's exactly what it looked like. That's crazy. That's what it looked like. And it low-key feel like it. Low-key.
Like what?
Nothing. What is this called, Legend? A needle.
I really want to get more, but maybe, like, I'll get some.
Woo. We out the house early.
Wait, they might say it's not real.
What's not right?
The letters. Really?
I don't know why he just flipped his lights at me, bitch. You all the way behind me. Not even near. Not even close. I got on my look what slippers I got on.
Right.
I got on my teddy bear slippers.
Can't be serious, man.
Totally do.
This page at v-403.
And got it done.
Party like a rock. Party like a rock
After an
star.
accident, don't fall for this scam. Call me today at 1-800.
You tattoo, you can't sketch on.
Select quote at 1-800-7.
We usually don't leave the house until 7:45. It's still not even 7:45. He gonna be at school about 7:45. That's the time the doors open. I am focused because these cars be driving crazy in the morning. Like, just be driving crazy. Hey, hey, hi. Love you too. I don't know why I put these two braids in my hair. Last night. I don't got no product in my hair. Nothing. I can't wait till you start going to the middle school, Legend.
Middle school? Why?
It's right over there. It's over there.
I know. But
It's closer.
the middle school is closer to our house.
And you'll be in middle school.
Right.
My homegirl came over to my house this morning because she going to Miami. And she parked her car at my house. And her birthday was a couple days ago on Tuesday. And we took a shot. We took a shot in 1942. Thank you. So I got a shot of 1942 in me right now. Just one. It's not even a whole shot. I took a half a shot. I didn't even take a whole shot. I took a half a shot. I gave her a whole shot because she about to go on vacation. We in Miami turning up another notch. I like that song.
Percent was really 25%.
Why you hate it?
Your medical bills were an injury attorney at no cost. Montlake breaks it down
I love that
so you
song.
know what to expect.
We having a yacht party, y'all. We about to have so much fun. We're about to have so much fun. Yeah, we are gonna have fun for your birthday. And you got a game the day after your birthday. So, grandparent, why you get off of me? So, Legend. What was I about to say? So your birthday is on a Friday at school. It's grandparent day. So, what was I about to say? It's grandparent day. That day. So, what you want me to do? You want me to bring cupcakes and stuff up to your school? Like, what do you want to do?
Like cupcakes.
Next year, your birthday on a Saturday. Your birthday on a weekend.
Wait, it changes? How does it change?
Because every year it falls on the next day. So last year, your birthday was on a Thursday. The year before that, it was a Wednesday. This year is a Friday. Next year is a Saturday. The year after that is going to be a Sunday. Then the year after that is going to be a Monday. And then so forth. And then Tuesday. Then no Wednesday. Except for leap year, I think it's when it's changed. It changes or something like that.
I don't know why I keep on changing.
I got a permanent part in my head. A permanent part. Why is so much traffic? See ya. See you next time. Thank you for joining.
Someone got the pop on up.
Look at that. That's like a regular black truck. And it's the Popo. They probably just did that to get through traffic. Look, because they stopped. They just wanted to get through traffic. Hey, Bonnie, good morning. How many kids do I have? I got 3, but technically 2 of them is grown. One is 19 and one is 17. He about to be grown. And then Legend about to be 8. Legend, you about to be 8.
I know.
You're about to be 8. The great 8. The great 8. The great 8, Legend. Legend. Why you mocking? You don't like when I mock you? I'm gonna mock you. Yes. No. I'm in my 30s. Crazy, man. I'm in my 30s. I'm not even in my 40s. I'm not even close. I had my kids I had my 2 oldest kids when I was a kid myself. Yes, ma'am. I'm in the gym. I haven't been able to go live on TikTok. I can't go on live on TikTok till the 30th. They talking about I was promoting a brand. Like, what brand was I promoting? I was not promoting nobody's brand. I was in the gym and they kept restricting me to my eyes promoting the brand. They had me talking about my waist trainer or some shit that I had on because I'm just like, it just didn't make sense. And I wasn't promoting no type of brand. I got 3 restrictions for that. Straight wild.
Yeah.
And they wouldn't even let me, what's it, like, they wouldn't even let me, like, fight it. Legend, you early.
I know.
Definitely corny. Who? Not you. You gonna get out and walk?
Yeah.
You be cool?
Mm-hmm.
You be liking that?
Yeah.
You don't be feeling no kind of way?
Nope.
You don't be lonely?
No, because sometimes my friends be
Oh, so you be walking with your friend?
there. Like Jace that was on the football team. And I like the mouthpiece in her mouth.
Shut the hell up. Right. He's about, ooh. That's crazy. You ready to get out? Alrighty. Have a good day.
Good luck.
I love you.
I love
Have a great day. Pay attention. Be good. Don't be talking and running your mouth too much.
Why would I do that?
Okay. The streets have changed. Ain't shit out there in them streets. Legend is a big boy. I should be back home by 8 o'clock. If that. Probably just about. Should I stop at Starbucks? I'm thinking I want to stop at Starbucks. But then again, do I need you to stop at Starbucks? Maybe not. I don't know. Starbucks line probably about to be crazy long. We can't walk him to class, but we can walk him like to the door. I don't think they let it. I never tried to walk him to class. Why they be looking at you like that? What you be doing? Today is Thursday. Like, the school going to send home this paper, like, going to send us home all these papers, right? And going to say, this is what we've been working on in class. Continue to work at home with your kid on this. No. They go to school for all these hours, 5 days a week, 8 hours a day. They already get homework. And you want us to still work on things with them that y'all work with them in the classroom? Absolutely not. Don't y'all know we have family time? Don't y'all know we have other things to do in our lives? Don't y'all know, like, y'all tripping? And I was thinking about saying that to the teacher. Would I be wrong if I was to write back and say no? And say what I just said? They go to school for a reason. You want them to come home, and on top of their homework, you want us to continue to work on the things that y'all teaching them in school? We have other values and morals that we are teaching our kids when they're not in school. And it's definitely not no motherfucking pronouns and nouns. We have other things. We have family time. We got dinner. Legend got sports. He got practice. He got games. He got him time. Free time. Like, he got to be in the bed at a certain time. Absolutely not. That don't even make sense. Please continue to work on this at home with your kids. On top of their homework? Absolutely not. No. Right. That's how Legend is. He always been on honor roll. Right. That shit is like corny as hell. That's all you want to know. I homeschool Nico's kindergarten year and Niaja's first grade year. I homeschooled them. Because that's just ridiculous. Makes no sense. No, ma'am. So y'all want them to have no free time. Y'all want them to take the extra. They don't even, half of the shit they don't even use after we don't even use. You think we worried about pronouns and nouns? How is that benefit? How is that paying our bills, ma'am? How is it paying our bills? Adjectives, pronouns, and nouns is not paying my bills. They're not teaching it about, like, financial freedom, entrepreneurship. I mean, yeah, the reading and the writing is important because you gotta know how to read. You gotta know how to read. Teach them how to read contracts. Teach them how to read and understand paperwork and how to write it. Teach them how to write letters. Teach them how to write on envelopes, how to write money orders, how to write checks. Right, how to do taxes, how to write off taxes, even if that, yes, no, for sure. financial literacy. Teach them about IULs and and why you should have life insurance. Why they take the DARE program out. DARE. What about home ec still? Didn't they take out home ec? Like, why y'all take out home ec? How to put in job applications. Teach them how to build a resume. How to write one. That's what I be teaching my kids outside of school. I get what you were saying about it. DARE means staying drug free. Remember they used to teach you about like sexually transmitted diseases? When I was in high school, they was teaching us about sexual transmitted diseases. They was giving us condoms and stuff. They don't teach that shit no more. Something that's relevancy to life. Because nouns, pronouns, and adjectives is not. We don't need to know a person, place, and thing is a noun. For what? How is that benefiting us? Why do we need to know that? AEIOUs and shit. Vowels and shit. I mean, I guess the vowels and stuff like that it helps you with learning how to spell and read. So I get that. Because when you get a short vowel, a long vowel, and all that good stuff, it helps you with pronunciation. So I understand that. I understand that part. It can help you pronounce your pronunciation and stuff and how to read. I get that part. If it's a long, if it's a short, I understand that to its fullest. But long division, I don't get it. Why we gotta know this long division? Ain't nobody doing this shit, bro. My hair is really like a light brown in the sun. I might wear my hair in a bun like this today. Right. Money management. Money management, for sure. How to buy a house. Credit. Yes. How to keep your credit at 30%. How to make sure you pay off your credit bills and credit cards, and how to apply and how to get loans. Because it's crazy because I used to give my daughter like literacy books about money and saving money and stuff when she was little. And I be trying to teach my daughter about the credit and shit. She don't listen to me though. She thinks she got it all figured out. she thinks she got it figured out. So I'll be like, all right, you got it. But I'm about to get off of here. I'm about to go home and cuddle with my man for a little bit, y'all, before I go to the gym. I'll be back on here when I go to the gym. Y'all meet me back on here at 11. I'll be back.